Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your trading friend. So today the video is very special because many of you were asking what is the performance of my Equator buying strategy. Okay, so I'm going to show you August month performance as well as past 3 months performance, which I'm doing it consistently from June 1st. Okay, so this is my 12th video which I am uploading related to options buying strategy, and there are many other videos which you can see here, 11 videos which I have already added. So introduction, money management, risk, and also I have gone through drawdown which I have explained in this video, and I have done some live trading, my settings which I am doing along with algo trading. So those settings also I have explained you. So watch all these videos, you will get a lot of knowledge, and you will get get to know the confidence how I am doing it. Okay, so I am, yeah, so coming to the agenda part today, I have a ledger which I am maintaining it from June 1st. I'll be explaining you that, and also I'll show you August month performance, and the ledger which I have maintained should ideally match with the Zerodha console statement. Okay, I will show you live, and also I'll show you the money management lots. Money management means the lots which I have increased from June till August. Okay, so journey I'll explain you. So coming without wasting much time, coming to the ledger. So this is the ledger which I have maintained it from June 2nd. Okay, from June 2nd, and in this column it is quantity, how much quantity. This is 125 means I am trading in BankNifty, so that is 125 quantity means number of lots is 5. Okay, 25 number of lots. Okay, so I'll just make it 125 divided by 25. So this is number of lots which I am doing it. Okay, similarly this is the entry time. Entry price is 129 and exit price is 181. So if you do exit price minus entry price, you will into quantity, you will get the PNL. Okay, so this is the PNL for 5 lots because I'm doing trading with 125 quantity. So per lot profit, okay, I'll just calculate it for, okay, this will be total profit divided by number of lots, right? So per lot it is 120 okay, for that particular day. So I'll copy this formula for the entire 3 months. So we'll get, so this is the number of, column O is the number of lots, and column Q is per lot profit for 3 months. This is okay. So in this, okay, coming to the August month performance. Okay, I'll just show you the August from 1st August. Okay, I'll select 1st August and till end. Okay, if I select, you can see is 2,73,000. Okay, so this is the performance for August month, and see, I have not kept the lot size same throughout the month, because if you can see from 1st August it is 750 quantity, that is 30 lots here. So gradually in the mid I started increasing one lot. Okay, every day one lot. Okay, 825 825 900 950, and then 950 I traded for 2-3 days, and then I increased to 1000 quantity, that is 40 lots, you can see here. Okay, so this is, I have varied lots for, but for the August month performance you can consider it is, okay, from 1st August, right? For different lots system I gained 2,73,000, and we have to minus, we have to calculate brokerage as well. Okay, that also I'll show you in live Zerodha console statement. And for per lot, if you are asking me, for the entire August month it is 8,500. You can see here 8,500, right? So this is the performance, and I'll also explain you. Yeah, I have already told you many times, 50,000 per lot I am trading, and so I have gained 8,500 for this August month particularly. So if you ask me with the performance, So 8,000 divided by 50,000. So percentage I'll mention. So it is around 17%. Very good, well and good. Even if you take out brokerages also, you will be having somewhere around 12% returns. I had 12% returns. I'll show you the brokerage part also in the live ledger calculation, and for the 3 months I'll show you the performance for 3 months. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. 3 months. Oh, I'll select the entire Q column. I gained 19,642. Okay, for 3 months, if you calculate 19,642. Okay, so it will be per lot, it is 50,000, right? So I'll just copy paste the same formula here. It is somewhere around 39%, right? No, sorry. Okay, equal to 19,000 divided by 50,000 percentage. I have to, so 39%. Okay, I've gained somewhere around 40%. Okay, yeah, I think, yeah, it's fine. Okay, 40%. For 50,000 I have gained 19,000 profit for 3 months. It is very good returns. If you remove brokerage also, 30% somewhere I have gained in past 3 months performance. It's very good. Every month you can expect somewhere around 5 to 10%. That is very good performance. Coming to ledger. Okay, I will show you. I'll take you to the console, so I'll not waste much time. PNL, I'll select futures and option. August month's performance I'll show you first. Okay, if I'm selecting date from 1st August to 31st August, so you can see here 2,57,000. Okay, but in my Excel how much it came? August month, 1st August, yeah. So here is the total PNL. 2,73,000 it's coming in Excel. Here it is coming 2,15,000, but yeah, I had some personal trades in this account. It's a different strategy where I lost some 15,000, so that that you can minus here. So it's somewhere around 2,57,000, and 40,000 around brokerage I have paid for entire August month. So I am having in hand profit is 2,16,000, right? So hope August month the performance is matching. Similarly, I will also show you for June, from June. Okay, so from June I have gained somewhere around 4,49,000. So I'll select entire K column, that is 4,36,000. Yeah, again that's 15,000 which I have lost in some personal trades is also visible here. So it's somewhere around 4,36,000 and 4,49,000. There is some manual trades which I have done, so that is the difference only. Those things you can ignore. Tax I have paid for 3 months. I have paid around 1 lakh, and remaining in hand profit is somewhere around 3,44,000. For this is for 3 months, right? So I explained you the lots. Okay, how I am increasing. So you can also make a rule of your own. I have made my own rule. Every day I am increasing one lot from today, so till I reach 45. So I have a capital. So if you have a capital, okay, I'll just show you. If you have a capital of 20 lakh, okay, so you can trade with 40 lots, but don't directly start from 40 lots. For every 50,000 you are doing one lot, right? So every 50,000 one lot. So if you have 20 lakh, don't directly start from 40 lots. Start slowly. Initially you start with 5 lots. Okay, make sure today. Okay, so every day you keep increasing one lot. That's it. So till you reach 40 lakh, so that in next 30 days or 35 days you will be reaching 40 lots. So this is what I am trying to tell you. This is the same thing which I have done in my trading journey as well. So one day I am increasing the lots, so it will improve your psychology. So if you want this Excel sheet, you can just WhatsApp me. I will share you my Excel sheet ledger. You can WhatsApp me on my mobile number 9916931315, right? So this is my number, and do subscribe to my channel for more and more videos. Thank you.